We will see the rhetorical sleight of hand and amateurish errors that have led to you being repeatedly misled about food and nutrition。呢度呢，佢串錯字嘅，應該係咁嘅 S-L-E-I-G-H-T。OK，嗱，我哋呢個字呢 sleight of hand 呢係解作技藝啊。OK， 技能技藝啊。OK， 咁 rhetorical 咧係解修辭性，修辭性啊。呢度講咩咧？佢就話啦，我哋本書咧就會睇一睇一啲修辭性嘅技藝或者修辭性嘅技巧啦，即係佢嘅語文嘅技術啦，係咪 ？And amateurish errors 一啲初階嘅 OK 初階嘅入門嘅錯誤。嗱呢個字咧就 amateur 嚟嘅 ，amateur 咧就解作入門者 ，OK， 初階嘅，行外人得唔得 ？T-U-R，OK，T-E-U-R，OK， 咁呢個就 amateurish， 呢個就 amateur，OK， 入門者。咁咧我哋就會睇睇一啲修辭上嘅技藝，同埋一啲入門嘅錯誤係點樣引致到你 OK 被重複地誤導。去了解關於食物同埋營養學 ，OK， 即係啲人點樣誤導你去一個食物同營養學嘅問題上啦 ，OK， 呢個產業 this new industry acts as a distraction from the genuine lifestyle risk factors for ill health, as well as its more subtle and alarming impact on the way we see ourselves and our bodies。呢個新興嘅行業咧，其實咧就令我哋分心咗，睇唔到啲乜嘢咧，引致一啲一個壞健康，即係一個疾病嘅狀況嘅一啲風險，同埋咧亦都讓我哋睇唔到 distraction 係分心啦，讓我哋睇唔到一啲潛在有危險嘅影響。OK， 即係話咧，呢個新興嘅行業 OK 就令到我哋睇唔到一啲對我哋健康啦，或者對我哋嘅身體啦產生潛在風險嘅因素。OK， 而呢一個情況咧 arises from 咧係由於OK 由於以下呢個現象，呢個情況咧係由於以下呢一個現象引致嘅。咩現象咧？就係我哋個 widespread move to medicalize social and political problems, to conceive of them in a reductionist biomedical framework and push commodifiable solutions, particularly in the form of pills and fetish diets。原來呢個現象咧係基於我哋一個好廣泛嘅行為，一個咩行為咧？就係原來整個社會咧，將一啲社會同埋政治嘅問題咧，去 medicalize 咗佢，即係話咧，整個社會咧係將一啲社會同埋政治嘅問題咧，變咗醫藥化咗佢，醫藥學咗佢。咁咧，我哋咧嘗試去理解佢哋嘅時候咧，就會變成一個基本主義，變成還原基本主義。咁亦都係一個 biomedical framework。一個生物學嘅框架 ，OK， 即係我哋嘗試咧去理解呢啲社會同埋政治問題咧，就去醫藥化咗佢，用一個生物嘅框架去理解咗佢。咁咧，同埋咧 ，push 最重要就係以下呢句啦 ，push commodifiable solutions, particularly in the forms of pills and fetish diets， 即係話咧，將呢啲社會同埋政治嘅問題咧，去用一個 commodifiable solution， 意思即係話一個商品化嘅方式，包括去銷售一啲藥物 ，OK， 同埋係鼓吹一啲飲食 ，OK， 一啲潮流飲食 ，OK， 即係話咧呢一段咧，即係話呢一個現象咧係基於我哋啲人咧嘗試去醫藥化咗一啲社會同埋政治嘅問題，就將一啲藥物啦，同埋一啲潮流嘅 diet 咧，就推向去解決呢啲問題嘅一個方法。OK， I will show you evidence that a vanguard of startling wrongness is entering British universities alongside genuine academic research into nutrition。嗱，佢就話啦，我會話俾你知啦 ，OK， 話俾你知咧錯嘅 ，OK， 咩錯咧？就話整個一個新嘅錯嘅潮流咧 ，OK，a vanguard of startling wrongness，vanguard 係先驅者啦，一個錯嘅潮流咧嘅錯嘅先驅潮流咧，進入緊我哋嘅大學，甚至進入埋我哋嗰啲學術嘅研究度 ，OK， 關於營養學嘅學術研究。In the field of medicine, we see similar tricks used by the pharmaceutical industry to pull the wool over the eyes of doctors and patients. 嗱 ，to pull the wool over the eyes of 咧係解作呢個羊毛啦，wool 係羊毛啦，係咪？咁咧佢就話啦，pull the wool over the eyes of 即係遮蔽佢哋嘅眼睛，即係令佢睇唔到。我喺度講咩咧？就話喺呢個醫藥學嘅行業度咧，我哋見到有類似嘅技巧咧，係被呢個醫藥行業 pharmaceutical industry， 佢成篇文咧，其實喺度指責緊呢個 pharmaceutical industry 啊，即係話緊佢啲唔好嘅嘢。呢個行業咧，其實咧就真係將個羊毛拉喺啲醫生同埋啲病人嘅眼前，即係遮蔽住佢哋。而佢哋咧係運用一啲 tricks 一啲技巧，咁其實佢成篇文咧呢一段咧，其實講緊 pharmaceutical industry 就係講緊呢一個所謂嘅 new industry 啦，即係呢度呢個 new industry 咧，其實就係講緊呢個係嘛？咁佢就話呢個 industry 咧係點樣去令到啲人咧睇唔到遮蔽distract 咗佢哋，等佢哋睇唔到一啲潛在嘅風險，係引致一啲疾病啦，同埋係影響我哋嘅身體嘅，係嘛？咁所以佢呢度講 new industry 係揀緊呢個 pharmaceutical industry。Okay? Next, we will examine how the media promote the public misunderstanding of science, their single-minded passion for pointless non-stories, and their basic misunderstandings of statistics and evidence, which illustrate the very core of why we do science, to prevent ourselves from being misled by our own atomized experiences and prejudices。嗱，接下來咧，我哋會研究下呢個媒體係點樣宣傳對科學嘅一個誤導 ，OK， 即係一個誤認知啦，即係唔係真正認識科學啦，同埋佢哋單一嘅思想啊，對一個毫無根據嘅非故事同埋statistics 同埋 evidence， 即係話咧咩叫非故事咧？其實講緊啲數據啊，數據咪就係非故事一個隱含住係嘛？咁包括一啲數據啦、證據啦、一啲實質嘅事實啦，係咪？佢哋係點樣去誤導係嘛？或者係我哋叫佢誤解啦，係嘛？去點樣去個媒體係點樣宣傳呢啲誤解，即係令你唔知道咩叫真科學。係嘛 ？OK，which illustrate the very core of why we do science， 亦都展示出點解我哋要去研究科學。OK， 原來研究科學嘅原因咧就係以下呢個原因啦。To prevent ourselves from being misled by our own atomized experiences and prejudices， 我哋研究科學嘅真正原因咧就係避免我哋唔好被我哋自己一啲單獨嘅人生經驗啦，或者係偏見啦 prejudices 啦，係咪去誤導？係嘛？即係話咧，我哋係要有真憑實據嘅，有 evidence 嘅，有 statistics 嘅，係咪有一啲真實嘅支持嘅？就唔係去因為我哋一啲主觀上獨立嘅經驗啦，同埋偏見啦，去被佢哋誤導嘅，係嘛？咁呢個就係我哋做科學嘅真正原因。Finally, in the part of the book I find most worrying,we'll see how people in positions of great power who should know better still commit basic errors with grave consequences. And we'll see how the media's cynical distortion of evidence in two specific health scares reached dangerous and frankly grotesque extremes. grotesque 係唔好啦，一啲唔好嘅嘢啦，係嘛？即係一啲極端嘅壞極端啦，係咪？佢呢度講咩就最後啦。我本書咧就會指出一啲好擔憂嘅情況。OK，嗱，我哋會見到咧喺高位嘅人啦 ，in position of great power 啦，有權勢嘅人啦，係咪？佢哋理論上係要認識更多嘅，但係佢哋咧都犯咗一啲基本嘅錯誤，甚至帶嚟一啲好嚴重嘅後果。我哋會望下咧媒體嘅一啲憤世嫉俗嘅扭曲啦，對事實嘅扭曲啦，係嘛？Into specific health scares 喺兩個特殊嘅健康嘅scares，即係佢呢度講啲例子啦。啲例子兩個關於健康嘅情況係點樣嚇親人啦，係嘛？而引致一個好危險啦、好恐怖嘅現象。OK，即係話佢會喺佢本書最尾咧會舉一個例子啊，會舉兩個例子啦，係咪？It's your job to notice as we go how incredibly prevalent this stuff is, but also to think what you might do about it。嗱，你睇完晒我呢啲嘢之後咧，咁就係你自己嘅職責啦。你嘅職責咧就係去了解下啦，係咪？prevalent 係幾常見啊？幾 common 咁解啊？即係話咧喂，我哋呢個被誤導嘅狀況啦，其實係有幾常見。咁而我哋亦都要了解下呢啲媒體啦，呢啲媒體啦，呢啲在位嘅權力者啦，呢度係嘛？在位嘅權力者啦，係嘛？我哋有啲咩要喺呢方面去做得更好咧？咁嘅意思。OK。Now you cannot reason people out of position they didn't reason themselves into. But by the end of this book, you will have the tools to win or at least understand any argument you choose to initiate. Whether it's on miracle cures, the evils of big farmers, a big farmer, like the likelihood of a given vegetable preventing cancer or more. You will have seen the evidence behind some very popular deceptions, but along the way, you will have picked up everything useful there is to know about research, levels of evidence, bias, statistics, and the history of science and anti-science movements, as well as falling over just some of the amazing stories that the natural sciences can tell us about the world along the way. 嗱，你唔能夠理解到reason people out of position they didn't reason themselves into。你唔能夠理解到，你唔能夠說服得到佢哋一班自己都說服唔到自己嘅人。OK， 但係咧，我哋喺本書嘅到最後咧，你就會有一啲工具去贏啦，係嘛？最少去明白到啦，係嘛？你取決於乜嘢立場 ，OK？ 無論你嘅立場係一個 miracle cures 或者 the evils of big pharma， 即係有兩個情況啦。你個立場可能一係你係好神奇地治癒到呢個病啦，或者係而家一啲大型嘅醫藥嘅藥劑行業嘅商家啦嘅邪惡 OK。The likelihood of a given vegetable preventing cancer， 或者係甚至係食一個蔬菜可以避免 cancer 嘅情況啦，係咪？即係話咧，佢呢幾行咧，其實暗示即係話咩咧？你睇到本書到最後咧，其實你就會了解到你有呢啲 tools 啊，佢啲 tools 係以下嘅 tools 啦，得唔得？即係佢有幾個 tools， 第一個就係 miracle cures。The evils of big pharma, the likelihood of a given vegetable preventing cancer, and more. Okay, 呢個 tools. Okay, you will have seen the evidence behind some very popular deception. 你就會見到一啲好常見嘅迷惑人嘅手段啦，係咪？咁你亦都會了解到咧， 所有去做研究嘅一啲實用嘅方法，係嘛？同埋了解到一啲證據啦，一啲偏見啦、數據啦，同埋科學 OK 嘅歷史啦，關於反科學嘅運動啦，咁你亦都會falling over just some of the amazing stories， 你亦都會跌入一啲好神奇嘅故事，而呢啲神奇嘅故事咧係一個 natural science 嚟嘅，係可以話到俾我哋知咧，成個世界係點樣運作嘅。It won't be even slightly difficult because this is the only science lessons. There I can guarantee that the people making the stupid mistakes won't be you. 都唔係好難嘅啫，成本書你去理解晒所有嘢，咁其實呢個就係一個科學嘅課堂咯，即係我本書就係一個科學課堂咯，就希望你唔好去做一啲錯誤嘅 mistake 出嚟，係嘛？唔好犯一啲錯誤嘅 mistake 出嚟，係嘛？好愚蠢嘅錯誤，係咪？And if by the end you reckon you might still disagree with me, then I offer you this. You'll still be wrong, but you'll be wrong with a lot more style and flair than you could possibly manage right now. Flair 我哋學咗啦 ，flair 係 talent，有啲咩才華啦？佢就話你睇完我本書咧，就唔係好難嘅啫。咁其實咧，你起碼都可以我可以確保到你啦，唔會犯一啲愚蠢嘅錯誤啊。同埋咧，去到書嘅最後咧，你都會認為 reckon 係認為啦，係咪 ？think 你認為咧，你去到本書到最後，如果你認為你依然係反對我嘅話咧，即係唔同意我嘅話咧，咁你可能係錯嘅。你可能係錯嘅，但係咧，就算你錯咧，你都會錯得好有型啦，同埋好有才華，係嘛？即係簡單咁講，佢就比較啦，比起你而家呢一刻啊，係啦 ，you could possibly manage right now， 即係話咧，就算你錯咧，你都會錯得比而家有型。簡單啲咁講咧，即係呢一段咧係話緊俾你知，我接下來本書咧係會告訴你好多關於醫藥學同埋媒體嘅各樣嘢係點樣誤導大眾，或者令到大眾更冇咁理解醫藥科學嘅情況。咁即係佢呢度咧，其實就話緊俾你知，我本書咧就會令你變得更聰明、更醒嘅。